What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another video for you, and what I'm going to be working on is big red over here, my Ford F150. And what I'll be doing is replacing the existing headlights with this product here. This product was sent to me directly from AUXITO Lighting. They reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to test their product out and let you guys know the quality and the difference that this product would make on your vehicles. So I have the box here. I haven't opened it up, so let's go ahead and do that. But before I do that, I want to read, just go through what the label said and everything on the box says here. It says high brightness here, long lifespan, plug and play, and this is good for off-roading too, so that's a big plus. All right, I'm gonna go through the product specifications here. Operating voltage is DC 9 to 30 volts. The light source type LED, color temperature 6000 K, operating life 50,000 hours, so that's great. Housing material, aviation aluminum. So this product, I haven't seen it. As you guys can see, this is still wrapped. So let's unbox it and let's take a look at the product. See what this company is all about. Okay. All right. Let's see. They give you a pair of gloves. Nice. I'm excited about that. This is the product manual here. It tells you everything, installation steps, questions, answers, installation steps, how to get warranty honored. Okay. Hopefully that comes useful if we need to, but it should be pretty straightforward. The installation should be. So let's get one out of the box. I'm not gonna touch the actual LED light. I'm just gonna grab it from the housing. I don't want to touch that. By looking at this, it looks beefy and heavy, and just like the description on the box says, this is aluminum housing. Nice. It's got a little weight to it. It feels really good. That's one, and this is the second one here. Okay, I want to bring you guys closer so you can see this product here, okay? All right, guys. So now you can take a closer look at the product. I have never seen anything like this before. Any product with the housing built like this. So this should be a big upgrade for the truck. And this should be a plug and play installation. So why don't we just go ahead and start putting them on. But first I need to take the truck cover off, at least for the front, and then get that installation going. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, the cover is off, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna start it up. I haven't driven this truck since maybe before Thanksgiving, and I haven't started it up. So I'm gonna give you a cold start on this and at least get the fluids going while I get everything ready to install those LED lights. So here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. Still working like a charm. Just like I said, I think the last time I started the truck up was before Thanksgiving. And yeah, it works. As you guys can see, it's a little dusty, a little dirty. I really need to wash it and drive it more often. But I've been working so much and doing other things around the house that I haven't had the chance to enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna get ready so I can start taking the headlights off, and then I'll bring you guys in when I'm ready to do that. Okay, so this is the before. This is what I have now. I know it's flickering a little bit through the camera, but it's not. So what I have here is just a regular, generic, no brand LED lights from Amazon. These are really cheap too, but they're holding up. I've had them here for maybe 6 months or so. They look good, but I'm expecting the new upgraded lighting I'm putting on here, the AUXITO lighting, to be much better than this. So this is just a comparison of what I have now, and well, I'll do the same thing after I installed the AUXITO lighting. Okay. Okay, we are ready to start taking the headlight housing off, and to do that, you need to remove this cover here, this plastic cover, rubber cover, to gain access to one 10mm bolt behind this cover here. And to do that, you need to remove this fastener here. I'll show you how to do that. There's going to be 3 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And to do that, I have the tools I'm going to need right here on my table. I'm going to have I have an extension with a 10mm socket. I have an extension, a longer extension, just in case I need it. This one here, this tool is going to be to remove that fastener holding that cover, that rubber cover. And this Phillips screwdriver is going to be to get that fastener out enough to pop it off with the tool. And this is going to make my life a lot easier using an impact. All right, so why don't we just get started? All right, so you start on this one here, this fastener. You unscrew it enough to where you can pop it off, like so. This is it right here. Put it on the table, and by doing that, I have access to, I'm gonna have access to the, let's see, I'm gonna have access to my 10mm bolt, 1, 2, 3. This is a simple install, guys. All right, so all you do now is just hold on to the headlight, put your hand behind the headlight, between the fender and the headlight, and then just give it a big tug and it should come off. It's already loose from this side. All you gotta do is just, there you go, see that? It's got like clips or this metal clips holding on to this metal part here. And the next thing you do is before you start putting anything on the body here, you need to protect all the paint and the bumper. So I'm gonna get a rag, I'm gonna get a towel or something so I can put it between the headlight and my paint. And this is the existing headlight. I'm taking that one off, and I'll show you the difference between this one and the upgraded light from AUXITO. All right, it was a little hard to turn. Okay, I need to get me, I have a zip tie there, so I need to cut that off. Okay, I'm cutting this off now, and I'm gonna remove the old LED light. Okay. So this is what the old light looks like right here. Like I said, this is just a generic brand straight from Amazon. I don't even remember what the brand was, but this is it right here, and I'll show you what the difference is. And this is the difference between the two of them. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and pop one in this side, and then I'll show you the difference between the new and the old. Here we go. On my truck, it needs to be up and down like this, because before I ended up installing them this way, and it was wrong. It didn't work at all. So this needs to be up and down like this. There you go, up and down. Okay, seems like that's where it goes. So now I'm just gonna plug it in. It should be just a plug and play. The other one, my older model, had the lead, had a lead, and I'm assuming this is a resistor for anti-flickering, or I don't know what this is, but this part, this pigtail, is not on these right here. Okay, let's plug it in. And yep, it is a plug and play deal. And to put it back, all you do is just reverse the process. You just align it with the holes and the pins, and then you just push it back in, just like that. As easy as that. Okay? You just reverse the process of installing all the 10mm bolts. Okay, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start up the truck, and we are gonna look at the difference between the old and the new. Here we go. All right, guys, the light has been turned on, and I can already see the difference. A lot brighter. A lot brighter. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is the AUXITO light, and this is the old generic LED light. Let's do a little comparison here. Okay, guys, So you can see the difference on the wall here. You can see the new lights from AUXITO, they are wider, so I'm assuming the range is going to be a lot wider. The other one is a lot smaller. You can see that here. Okay, we'll see how both of them look installed. I'll be right back. Okay, both headlights are installed. I just finished with the passenger side, and it looks a lot brighter. They look a lot brighter than what I had before. It was a simple upgrade, a major upgrade. So I will let you guys know in the future how these are holding up. I've had these old ones for maybe 6 months on the truck, and there was no problem. They were a little dimmer than these two. So in the future, I'm gonna give you an update on these, how they are holding up and what I think about them maybe a month or two from now. Okay guys, so there you go. That was an easy upgrade done to the truck today. If you guys want to pick up a pair of these LED lights from AUXITO, I'm going to leave the link on the in the description down below if you guys want to get a pair of these lights or any other lights for any of your vehicles. Also, if you guys want to save 15% on any of your purchases, I'm going to leave a link to that as well in the description down below. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.